Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech. In today's video we have two Samsung smartphones. On my right hand side is the Galaxy Note 4, as you can see on my screen. This phone is stuck on the recovery screen after installing a custom software which I downloaded online. And on my left hand side is Samsung's Galaxy S9 Plus, and also happen to have the same sort of problem. We have this triangle mark on screen and the warning sign, and regardless of how many tries I've made, the phone is stuck on this screen. Sometimes it will go into the boot loop, but it will just keep going and it will not come back to the life. So as you have seen the title of the video, we have to restore these phones by downloading the official softwares. The official files are available on one of the websites which I'm going to show you in this video, and I will also take you through the steps which you need to take in order to fix your devices. Whether you have an older generation phones like these, the A series or the Ace, or you have S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, or the new generation, it will work exactly the same way, and you will be able to fix your phone by following these simple steps. So let's jump into the video, and if you have any feedback or questions, do let me know and I will try to help you out and I'll try to answer them. Thank you. The process is very simple. All you have to do is open your web browser. Once the web browser is opened, type SAM firmware and you will see this result. First one on the result is SAM firmware. Land on this page. First thing you need to make sure is you create a free account by going into this section. There is no subscription charge for a free account. Once you have created a free account, you need to sign in using your username and password. After that, you will be landing on this page, which is the main home screen. Click on the firmware section. After clicking on firmware section, click on the download firmware area and type the exact model name which you can find at the back of your smartphone or tablet, or if you have a removable battery, you can remove it and you can see the sticker inside your device. So in today's case we have N910F, which is a Samsung's Galaxy Note 4, and we'll click on that. After that we will pick and choose a country. You can drag that from the list, or you can pick and choose from one of these available options. These are the official firmwares. Let's talk about one of these ones, and let's pick one of this firmware. And as you can see that this is on BTU, which is a BT network in United Kingdom. There are two options, wait and download and fast download. Fast download is for premium accounts, wait and download for standard accounts. 30 seconds wait. Once the 30 seconds are over, you can simply go ahead and click on download, and the download will start and it will appear on this box. After that you have to come back on this page, and here we have two set of instructions. Once you download the file, it will consist basically a single file, and the instruction to download and install single file is here. Also, if you want to go for the 5 files options, the instruction is there. We'll go for the simple one, which is download instructions for a single file. First thing, you need to download official Odin. You can download from here, which is direct link. As you can see that the Odin is there, and then extract Odin, follow the steps, and it will hopefully restore your device back to your original factory settings, and you will see your device working fine without any problems. So that's it, how you can install official downloaded firmware from this website for your Samsung smartphones and tablets. If you have any feedback or comments, do let us know in the comment section below, and we'll try to answer your questions. Till then, take care. Bye bye.